When you walk on the average patio that's 10 or 15 years old, 9 times out of 10 it needs more than just clean. When we show up to a job, it's going to look dirty. The pavers have a lot of dirt in them. The joints have a lot of weeds growing in them. We pull our steam cleaning equipment out and it immediately just starts removing the vegetation, the weeds from the joint.
Because I had tried the power wash at home myself with poor results, and a few of the landscapers I'd spoken to did nothing but the power wash. And in looking at the Perfect Paver Company, reading that with their steam and their buffering style was really very effective in removing the moss and all the funk.
And then in a couple of days when we come back and we resand all of the joints, we recompact the pavers with a vibratory plate compactor, and we seal it with our sealer that hardens the sand in the joint, making it very difficult for weeds and vegetation to grow, and enhance the color, brings some of the color back to life, and puts that nice, clean, fresh sheen on it. It's just amazing how great any patio can look after that process.
About 7 years ago, we had it redone by a company, and two things happened. The color after they did it was very irregular. It was very disappointing. It was dull and bright and dull and bright. And it did not solve the weed problem. When we had it redone by Perfect Pavers 2 years ago, after it was done, the color was very nice, very uniform. And over the 2 years, we've had virtually no problem with weeds.
People will be very surprised that the price value as compared to just straight power cleaning is almost identical. So for a substantially better finished product done with a completely different mode and method is almost identical in price point.
What our customers tell us the most is they cannot believe how new their pavers look, or how great, how much color is back in their paver, and how much less maintenance they have on the pavers now that we've completed our process.